Hello, friends of Verus, friends of VRSC, Verus Coin, all you Verusians. I'm Juliano. It's the Tuesday. Yes, it's 26th of October. And I would like to share with you some Verus price charts. That's right. We're at the Verus Safe Trade Exchange, looking at the VRSC BTC time price chart. Looking at a 12-hour price chart, I just want to recognize what's happening here. Okay, we're at this price level now where we've, come down a lot, and now we bounced up, made our corrections downward. And it looks like we've reached a rebounding, confirming this low. There's a good potential here that we're confirming this low. And recently, we were really coming towards the end of this downturn here, this part of the correction down here. And now we're bounced up and ready to, looks like ready to potentially move higher, because we're turning these price levels into support. Like we're going in towards, okay, let me just give a bit of context here. We're in right now currently the 1800 Satoshis level. Okay, previously we were playing around in the 1700 Satoshis level. And it looks like we're trying to turn the 2000 Satoshis level into support. So these previous supports over here, we're trying to return that into a support, but a longer term. All of this price action here, we're looking to return to that as a support, okay, into this 2000 Satoshis level. That would be above these price levels here, okay, which is previously historical important price levels. If we could hold this as support, that bodes well for continued moves higher, okay? That's basically the idea, because otherwise we find resistance at these key levels here of support that now are turning resistance. If these key levels of support become resistance, like previously they were around here, and previously they were around here, and previously they were around here, then we're just going down further. But it doesn't seem like that. It doesn't feel like that. We're at key points of support resistance, and it looks like we're flipping it into support. So that's the longer term story here that's going to play out over the next couple of months in the BTC chart. That's what it's looking like. And eventually making it to like the 2500 Satoshis levels to battle there and turn this and this type of level into a new support zone. All right, up to the 3000 Satoshis level, So yeah, so that's basically the price action for the BTC, the Verus BTC price chart. I want to recognize here we have something like this, and it was broken down, and now we're finding resistance. Let's go into that. You see that? So on some level here, it was broken down, finding resistance. But now, how fast do we need to break back above this? Not so sure, but it's definitely finding it as resistance. So that's the cause for concern towards more negativity. The other idea is it just kind of goes sideways down for a little while, maybe even towards the end of 2022. And then that means when that time frame is ready, we would place our line there. Let's say, we play around here and we get down there. Oops. Like that, okay? Whatever that means. If that's what needs to happen, that's what needs to happen, okay? We really double confirm this level here, and then we go higher. That's fine, and then we get a new trend line to continue to work with. But the sense that I get is, let's see, it looks like higher. None of this financial advice, by the way, but it looks like higher. Oops, higher before lower, in the sense that it's looking like, well, in the VRSC BTC price, it's looking like we're at a key level here. All right, this is definitely a key level. I guess that's really the main reason for this video, is to recognize the key level and to just say, stick around, keep watching, and we'll watch where it goes. And yeah, I'm not saying anything is imminent, but really excited about this price chart long term. So anyway, so that's the VRSC BTC, steadily moving in towards the 2,000 Satoshis level to try and hold that as support. Yeah, and it'll go above there. Okay, now on the USD price as calculated through the Coin Paprika deal here, we had firstly this high, lower high, and this lower high. We've broken out recently around the 3rd of October timeframe, and this is a daily price chart. So we broke out of it, and now this previous high here, and where it became the next high after the breakout before retracing and finding support at this longer downtrend, now we're at that level again. And it looks like we haven't quite broken out yet. It wants to break out. Hasn't quite broken out yet, but we're there again. So we're at some key levels. Let's see what happens. It also relates to this level here. So yeah, we're looking to gain some clarity here. Either we're going to go above this and start to look at higher prices, or we're going to go down further. So either the target is down here around like 77, 80 cents again, you know, maybe 85, whatever, or even this, like, let's say this kind of level here, 90 cents. Maybe that's it. Or if you're looking at this shape here, maybe you see how we get, you know, maybe a shoulder, a head, another possible shoulder to break out. What this became, the reason this trend line is there is because it really fulfills the neckline of this part of the shoulder and neck, this part of the shoulder and neck. And so now we're here at an important point of determination. And if that's the case, then we look to make it back up here, $1.50, back up to this level right here. All right. So that's some VRSC USDT thoughts on a daily price chart. If we want to look at it in candle form, there it is. Okay. And really looking for $2 as really the standard here, as that's where we need to go next. Okay. I think I'm done. Well, that's Verus thoughts for you on the price charts. Until next time, I will be here wishing you love, peace, happiness, truth, and privacy for all. Goodbye. Try out that testnet, by the way, if you haven't yet.